Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. BeautyBigBang have very kindly sent me some stamping plates and some flame stickers to swatch and review. I'll be breaking this down into a few videos. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing stamping plates BeautyBigBang XL0-35, XL0-36 and XL0-37. As always, you can find information on where to purchase from in the description box below, along with my discount code for you to use on their website. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and please make sure you have the bell notification on, and please also like this video. These things really do help out my channel. Thank you. So I have their card which has all of their social media details on and where you can find them. I have 5 of their stamping plates which I will be doing a full swatch on each one, as I always do. They've also sent me a sheet of flame stickers which are a massive nail trend right now. Now I'll be doing a mani using these once I've swatched the stamping plates, but how cool is this effect on the flames? I can't wait to use them. The first stamping plate is BeautyBigBang XL0-35. I'll be taking 2 swatches from each plate. I have my usual stamper and scraper along with 6 coloured nail tips that I'll be swatching onto. For the first swatch I'll be using a light coloured pink nail tip along with a neon pink stamping polish. With BeautyBigBang plates with these large images, I do like to apply 2 lines of polish just so that I don't overflood the image, but also that I can cover the whole image. This is a very pretty image though. For the next swatch I'll be using a light green coloured nail tip along with a dark green stamping polish. Once I've picked up the image I will remove the excess I don't want before stamping down. With this style of image it can be placed on the nail anywhere, like at the free edge or the cuticle area, but a really nice detailed image. Moving on to BeautyBigBang XL0-36. For the first swatch I'll be using a yellow coloured nail tip along with a copper red brown stamping polish. This is a new colour combo I'm loving right now. It's going to be great for autumnal manis, but even with this design it looks amazing. Again, so much detail in the image. I love lace designs. For the next swatch I'll be using a light blue coloured nail tip along with this metallic blue stamping polish. This is another colour combo I've just recently started using and I wanted to share it with you. With lace images, they can be what I call scratchy to scrape, but I find it means that you're going to get really great swatches just like this one. It's absolutely stunning. Moving on to BeautyBigBang XL0-37, and for the first swatch I'll be using a white coloured nail tip along with a teal stamping polish. I think this image is just beautiful. I've never personally made a mani using this style of image before, something I definitely want to try, but again, so much detail in this design and it's swatched brilliantly. For the next swatch I'll be using a lilac coloured nail tip along with my favourite dark purple stamping polish. I almost used this image for the mani for this stamping plate, so it will definitely be one that I use in the future. I didn't however get it quite centered, but it's still a really nice swatch though. I love everything about it. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and manis that I've created from these 3 BeautyBigBang stamping plates. BeautyBigBang XL0-35 is full of beautiful images ranging from large to small designs. There is 6 large designs right in the centre of the plate along with 22 smaller images on the left hand and right hand sides of the plate. Each image is full of amazing detail, even the smaller ones. I personally love stamping plates which have different sizes of images. They can really make some interesting manis. Lace inspired stamping plates are extremely popular. I know I have lots of them, but I feel that BeautyBigBang XL0-35 has something different to offer for them lace inspired manis. I've just used my usual stamper for these swatches. It works perfectly with BeautyBigBang stamping plates. I very rarely get a bad swatch. BeautyBigBang stamping plates I feel anyone can work with. They're really easy to use and very popular. I'm always seeing them on social media. I love the longer images they have, especially when I have my nails longer. I always reach for Beauty Big Bang stamping plates because I know they'll cover my whole nail. The smaller images, as I said earlier, can be placed anywhere on the nail, at the cuticle area or the free edge, or even from the sidewalls coming into the centre of the nail. They offer lots of possibilities and they can really make some interesting manis. You could use the large images or a mix of both the large and the small, or just the small. I really enjoyed working with Beauty Big Bang XL0-35 and I can't wait to return. I love all the swatches, so much inspiration from them. I'll definitely be referring to them again. Beauty Big Bang XL0-35 is a brilliant stamping plate for anyone's collection, and as always I've made a mani for each stamping plate. For the mani, I've used a bright yellow gel polish for the base colour, and I've stamped in a copper red brown stamping polish, which over the yellow really does show the red coming through brilliantly. I've used two different images, a large one and a small one, and I love how this has turned out. I did think about adding some crystals to the smaller images just above them, but I couldn't find any crystals I like to go alongside it. But I really like this mani. It's very autumnal. Beauty Big Bang XL0-36 has 14 large style lace inspired images. They are just packed full of amazing detail. This is another stamping plate, because of it being lace, that would be super popular. I know I'm very excited for this plate. When making the mani, I went back and forth over what image, I don't know how many times. So I know that there'll be plenty of use for me for this plate in the future. Lace plates can sometimes be difficult if they are really super engraved. XL0-36 wasn't too bad to use. It did make that scrunchy noise, but it didn't eat my cotton wool like they normally do. When plates are like this, they make for really good swatches like these ones. I was trying out a couple of new colour combos, which personally I don't like, but they have all swatched really well. I would like to see how XL0-36 works alongside XL0-35. That's going to offer even more possibilities. In the description box below is the link for these 5 stamping plates as a set, but you can also purchase them individually as well. Beauty Big Bang really makes some good quality stamping plates at very affordable prices. For this mani, I've used a shimmery nude gel polish as the base, and I've stamped in a metallic burgundy stamping polish. I've only used one image, but I've placed it slightly differently on each nail. Some near the cuticle area, some just on the free edge. I've also added a close-up picture so you can see that shimmer gel polish. It really is beautiful. I love this mani, it is so pretty. Beauty Big Bang XL0-37 has 12 large lace inspired designs, along with 8 small line images on the right hand side. I didn't see them at the beginning. With these small images, I've just added them down the centre of the nail so you can see the whole image, but they can be placed anywhere on the nail. The 2 open space images on the bottom row really came out much better than I thought they would. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you'll know that I'm not very good at them. Again, just like the first 2 stamping plates, Beauty Big Bang XL0-37 has so much detail within each image. All 3 of these lace inspired plates will work really well together, and this is definitely something I want to have a play around with, and just like the first 2, it will be super popular as well. If you're new to stamping, Beauty Big Bang stamping plates is a great brand of stamping plates to start with. Again, I've just used my usual stamper. It makes swatching Beauty Big Bang plates really easy. In the next video, I'll be sharing with you the final 2 stamping plates from this set, and then I'll also be doing a video using the flames, which I'm super excited about. I did think about using the stamping plates within the flame mani, but I'm still thinking about it, so stay tuned for both of them videos. For the mani, I've used a red gel polish as the base colour, and I've used an olive green metallic stamping polish. This is a very new colour combo for me, but it works so well. The gold really comes through. I've used the half image on the bottom row for each nail, but I've just turned the image either upside down or the right way. This just offers something different to the mani, but I absolutely love how this has turned out. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the manis and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I'd be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on these 3 Beauty Big Bang stamping plates. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye!